My philosophy is the people that work for you and the management level got to embrace. You need to be economically sustainable in order to implement sustainability. Firstly, you get new customers. Secondly, customers will stick to you because you are in the same boat with them on the sustainability journey. Those more forward-looking customers. We got McKinsey 2 years ago to do our sustainability roadmap, which is very dynamic in a way that they literally path what we should be doing and enhance what we are already currently doing. We tap on the government funding is the career conversion program, where we converting one of our sales and marketing staff into a sustainability officer. We begin to use, instead of a solvent base, which is fossil fuel, for our finishing, to become water-based. With a big oven, you need big electricity. But with the solar panel, you're not too worried about it. 5 years ago, it's very expensive. For the past 15 or 20 years, we decided not to use a series of tropical timber, teak, mahogany. We do not know where it's from. Instead of using wood base, we use a straw base, a byproduct that will be burned if it is not used. This Vision Springs project is basically just testing the eyesight of every employee. We prescribe them with glasses and they can see better, and my quality improved.